How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Raptor-X TIR. So when you get your Raptor out of the box, you'll have your Raptor go into your cables here, and then you'll have your connector. And this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now on our optional SIG plug, you'll have two power modes. So if you flip your power switch up, you'll be in power mode 1, and if you flip it down, you'll be in power mode 2. So this allows you to have two flash pattern memories. And then you have your flash pattern toggle switch here. So let's go over those features. So for example here, I brought a red-blue unit and I'm using my optional SIG plug. Now on my SIG plug, I can flip my power switch up for power mode 1 or flip it down for power mode 2. And you'll notice I have a different flash pattern program for each of those modes. And then here I have my flash pattern toggle switch to change the pattern. And you do have memory recall on each of those modes, so you can easily swap between power mode 2 or back to power mode 1. And then if you put your power switch in the middle, you'll see your unit will turn off. And then you have your power mode 1 and power mode 2 cables here if you would like to hardwire. Now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating, so let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought an amber unit, and here I brought a green, clear, alternating unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, or alternating color combinations, and we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. When it comes to mounting your Raptor, we offer our universal or vehicle-specific bracket options. Now with our universal, you'll get 4 long, 4 short, and 4 base brackets, and then you'll notice on your Raptor you have your rear slide track here, and then you also have additional screw holes on the bottom so you can find the correct combination of these brackets for your vehicle. And then we also offer our optional visor extender for additional versatility. So that covers our Raptor-X TIR. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players underneath the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.